In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy website header. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. Once you are signed in, go to the Websites Plus Marketing section. From there, select the website you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor loads, go to the top of your website preview and click on the Header section. This will open the editing options for your current header. After that, open the header settings so you can view the available customization tools. In this area, you can choose a different header layout from the options GoDaddy provides. Depending on your theme, you may see several layouts that change the position of your logo, menu, and other header elements. Once you have selected a layout, update the content inside the header. You can change the site title, replace or edit the logo, adjust the navigation menu, and update the call to action button if your header includes one. Make sure each item matches the look and purpose of your website. If your current design allows it, you can also change the header background image or background color. Choose a style that fits your branding and keeps the header easy to read. If text appears over an image, make sure there is enough contrast so visitors can clearly see the menu and title. You can then adjust any additional style or display settings that appear in the header options. These settings may include alignment, spacing, visibility, or other design controls depending on the version of GoDaddy Website Builder you are using. When you are done making changes, review the updated header directly in the editor. Look over the layout, text, logo placement, and overall appearance. Then click Preview to see how the new header will look on your live website. Check both desktop and mobile views if that option is available, so you can confirm that everything displays properly on different screen sizes. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.